Okay, hello guys, Min here. Today, I received a lot of questions about problems that occur when using batch rendering to render the moving product. First, we will see what the error looks like. We will create a simple motion. I will create a cube that moves from location A to B. Okay, keyframe done. Now it's about creating light for the space. Here I choose direction light. Pull up a little. Okay, try running it and see how it moves. Next is to adjust the settings in Render Settings. Here I will set a few properties. For example, the image file name when exported, name it Project. And next is to choose the file format. Here it is JPEG. Next is to set the file name structure. I set the default frame range to render 10 frames quickly. Apparently, here I find the light a bit weak. Increase intensity a bit. Press number 7 to turn on viewing mode, including light. Okay, looks good now. Now start render. Click on Render and select Batch Render. When you click on Scripts Editor, you will see an error message when starting the render process. This error is annoying for users because it will appear continuously, making it impossible for you to plug in the renderer. It seems like a long wait. I will speed up the video a bit. Started running now. This error will appear continuously until you. After rendering, that's it. The error is so annoying that it makes you unable to do it. It's called plugging in the machine to render. Then started running. First photo, second photo, third photo. Keep it running. Takes a relatively long time. Here you can see the link. Folder image file after batch render by copying the path as shown. Then paste it into the path tray of Windows Explorer. And this is the folder containing. Just rendered 3 images. This is our issue. The word Arnold in the photo cannot be removed. Continue waiting for the render to finish to see. Number 7 starts number 8. While waiting for the rest to be rendered, remember to like and subscribe to the channel to watch many other useful clips. In file number 10, there is still the word Arnold that cannot be removed. Save project first. The fix is very simple. First of all, download the file with the link attached in the description of this clip. Unzip the downloaded file. Here you can download the raw file. Please remember to choose the appropriate version for the installer, your Maya version. Like here, I'm using Maya 2022, so I'll use the 2022 installation. We will run the file. We will choose the paths and leave them as default. Just leave it at default. Select the path outside Drive C. This will meet one. The problem is that it will ask you if you want to install over the old version. Press OK. And wait for it to finish installing. After installation is complete, go to the crack folder. And copy the AI's DLL file. Go to the folder we just installed on Drive C. Go to this bin folder and paste it here. Okay, so you've reinstalled Arnold. Now restart Maya. Reopen the project we created earlier. Batch render again and see. Okay, so the error window doesn't appear anymore. Copy the link to view the product after batch render. It seems okay. Try opening a file to see how it goes. So Watermark Arnold no longer appears. Okay, done. In addition, we have another way, which is to use render sequence. This method does not require installation. Just choose where to store the product. Then press Render Sequence and wait for the results. Now find the folder we selected earlier to save the product file. The photo does not have the Arnold watermark appearing. Thank you very much for following. Remember to like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much.